Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from Newtech, and today for the first time in my channel I'm gonna unbox something which is a Netgear AC1200 router, model number R6220, which is I'm using right now, by the way. So before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post the awesome new videos. And if you have already done that, thank you so much, and let's get to this video started. Alright guys, so here's the router and I'm gonna open it in modern way with knife. Yeah, poor YouTuber. It's really boring. I'm gonna open it with my way. Yeah, it's really satisfying. You can try it once. How to open it? I don't know how to open it. No instruction. Khulja Simpson. Khulja Simba. Khulja. Oh, okay. How to open it? Yeah. Ooh, here's the router itself. It's big. It's really big than a usual router. Okay, we're gonna open up and we're gonna move these things. We're gonna see them later. Let me open it. Good quality sticker. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, it's really a little bit big than the usual router, and the two antenna, and comparing to the router size, the antenna is really small. Here is the WPS button, power off, USB button, 1 2 3 4 output, 1 input, power button, and AC. Yeah, that's all in the back side of the router. Yeah, there's the advertisement that if you want to use it, you have to use the Nighthawk app. You can get this on Google Play Store and App Store. Yeah, we're gonna see what else come with this pack. I don't know what is it. The setup manual in English language, and the other language, I don't know the language. Yeah, I don't know it too. I just know the English from this user manual. Use them all. Yeah, I don't know it too. Yeah, Ethernet cable. Sorry for that slip of tongue. Yeah, really impressive. It's really big. That's what I want, baby. It's really big cable comes with this router. I'm really satisfying. 5 out of 5. And here's the charger. Yeah, seems like the charger also comes with the long cable. I like it. Here also 5 out of 5. What's here? Ooh, the fresh air of the company. Thank you so much for sending me the air of your factory. So if this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum.